In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an efficient and easy checklist using Google Forms. Whether you're organizing an event, managing a project, or simply putting together a list of tasks to tackle, Google Forms is a versatile and user-friendly tool that comes in handy. So let's dive right into this step-by-step guide on how to make a checklist in Google Forms seamlessly. To start, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Forms. You can simply type Google Forms into the search engine, or you can access it from your Google Drive by clicking New, hovering over More, and then selecting Google Forms. This will bring you to a new, untitled form. Once you're on the Google Forms interface, give your form a meaningful title and description. This helps distinguish it among potentially numerous forms you might create. For instance, you could name it Daily Task Checklist, and in the description box you might say, a checklist to help me stay organized and efficient every day. Next, you'll want to create your first checklist question. Click on the first untitled question area. From the drop-down menu, select Checkboxes. This format allows multiple selections, perfect for a checklist. Now you can start adding items to your checklist. Let's say you're planning a birthday party. You might include order cake, send invitations, and buy decorations. Simply type these items as separate options. For more intricate checklists, you might want to add additional sections. This function is particularly helpful in categorizing tasks or when grouping them under separate headers. To do this, simply click on the Add section icon, which resembles two small rectangles. You can then label and adjust this section accordingly. Throughout this process, you have the option to customize your form's design to suit your preferences. Click on the theme icon found at the top of the page. Google Forms offers a selection of colors and images to help personalize your checklist and make it more visually engaging. When you have everything in place, it's time to preview your checklist. Click on the eye icon at the top of the page. This will open a new tab displaying what your checklist will look like to those who access it. Once you're satisfied with your checklist, it's time to share it. Click on the Send button, represented by a paper airplane icon. You can choose to send it via email or generate a shareable link. Select the method that best suits your needs, and make sure to customize the email message if sending it directly via email. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to building an effective checklist with Google Forms. It's a powerful tool that can simplify your organizational tasks. I hope this tutorial helped, and you're now ready to create amazing checklists of your own.